to track our first big snowstorm of the season. And 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko is working for you live in Chicopee with what people were getting ahead of this weekend storm. Adam, I was thinking about getting some Girl Scout cookies before the storm. I think we need to find some Girl Scout cookies before the snow starts on Sunday.
That's not a bad idea, Brian, for sure. Well, you know, people have been getting out and getting what they need. Of course, it's important to have the supplies you need to help deal with the snowstorm, and that's exactly what people were doing. Well, we have had some snow this winter. We really haven't had a big storm yet this season. But with a significant storm on the way this weekend, it's important to have what you need to deal with the snow. And right now, there's quite a demand for supplies.
Business has been insane, but a good insane. We have the product to help our customers out, and you know, shovels, salt, scoops, buckets. We have all of it. A lot of people coming in for birdseed too.
Just get your stuff, get prepared for the winter. They got a bunch of shovels here. They got a bunch of salt, and prepare yourself.
And when you have to maintain an apartment complex, it's important to have plenty of shovels.
But it's good to have a new shovel when you're getting it, you know. We have shovels, but they get worn out quick, and we've been out there every other day, you know, doing this stuff. So they're getting all worn out. So we're going to buy 8 more shovels.
And at Rocky's Ace Hardware in Agawam, they also have ice scrapers and snow brushes and plenty of ice melt, which has been in pretty high demand this winter. And before we get the snow, we have to deal with the cold, and we're dealing with the cold out here right now. And I can attest to the fact that the temperatures are dropping and the winds are definitely picking up. So if you're going to be headed out tonight, make sure you bundle up. Working for you live in Chicopee, I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko, that is.